चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Kishle, if you're with us, a very good afternoon to you. Please talk to us about the incidents and what's happening live at the moment there.
Well, exactly. This is in Howrah Bakra area. This area has been witnessing filling of wetlands. There's a huge wetland in this particular area, which has been illegally being filled by land mafias. That is the allegation. Now, the locals were protesting against this illegal land filling process, and they stopped the land mafias from doing so. After that, for a while, the whole process was stopped. It was discontinued. The land mafias were inactive for a long time. But recently, again, allegedly, the land mafias started filling out government wetlands just across the railway track in Howrah Bakra area. Now, after the same happened, central forces had to be brought in because all the protesters again started protesting against the whole process of land filling. As they started protesting, also the men of these land mafias, alleged men of these land mafias and the laborers started clashing against them. So there was a clash. We are showing the visuals of that, exclusive visuals of that particular clash which happened, and we are also showing how that whole wetland area was slowly being filled by these land mafias allegedly. Now after this clash broke out in Howrah Bakra area, central forces and police force from Domjud police station had to be brought in. After the police force and central forces were brought in, situation was under control. Illegal land filling has been stopped for now, but the locals are saying that the police inaction is the main reason that the land mafias are getting this courage to fill land without any prior notice or without any permission. Kriti.
All right, so Kishle, if there are allegations of a land mafia and the police complicity, then there must also be a political link to the incidents happening and violation of the wetland rules as notified by the government. Do you think there is any political link to this encroachment?
Well, the locals are saying so, Kriti. However, no names of political parties have come up yet, but the locals are saying that these land mafias are under the shelter of influential leaders, and that's the reason why the police is not taking action against them. Now, which party's leaders are these? Though names have not come up, but common sense says that these leaders might be of the ruling party because they are close to the police administration as well, but no confirmation or no complaints of any leaders against any leaders have come up yet. Locals are saying the land mafias needs to be arrested soon and the whole process needs to be stopped because these wetlands belongs to the government and these should not be filled by the land mafia, but there might be political connections which is stopping allegedly the police from taking action against them. Kriti.
Well, absolutely. Please continue to track any development in connection to the case. This is a grave violation of the wetland rules. But thanks for joining us with those details, Kishle. Viewers, let's move on to the next big story that remains our top focus, the Renuka Swamy murder case. Sorry, before we break the Renuka Swamy murder case, let's go to Karnataka, where in the sex sleaze case, the brother of Prajwal Revanna, Suraj Revanna, has now been arrested for alleged sexual abuse of a party worker. Now, earlier in the day, Suraj Revanna was arrested around 5 a.m. and from Hassan, where he was picked up, he has charges of performing unnatural sexual offences against him. Suraj Revanna was booked on Saturday for allegedly sexually abusing a party worker under different sections of the IPC. Now we are coming up with different reactions in connection to the case. Let's tell you about those.
ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟಿಗೆ FIR ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೂರಜ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈಗ CIDಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ಸು ಈ ಥರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ CIDಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು CID ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಸೂರಜ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಕೂಡ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟಿಗೆ FIR ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೂರಜ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈಗ CIDಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ಸು ಈ ಥರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ CIDಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು CID ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಸೂರಜ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಕೂಡ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ.
has been arrested, sir.
No, that issue, why you ask me? Why you are asking me? That is not pertaining to me. Or it is not necessary to react for all those things. Law is there. Law, it will take its own course of action.
And viewers, joining us live on the story is my colleague Prajwal. Prajwal, a very good afternoon to you. In the latest, in the case, we learned that Suraj was taken for his medical examination. Is there any update in connection to that?